It's like I was without I had hair.
Just like that, and then you got curly hair. I wonder if he's gonna have curly hair. Did you go poo? Oh, you're taking a video? I have to eat something.
I can wrap myself.
Okay, sorry. What's up, Jer? What's up, Z-Man?
Can you help me rock it? Jeremy's too heavy to rock. I guess I can use the bars.
You gotta be careful of his face. Two brothers hanging out.
Hey, Mommy. That much.